Hi everyone. Claude is one of the best coding models that we have. And it is so much celebrated that every popular AI coders like Lovable, Bolt, Cursor, Tray AI, and everybody uses Claude as their primary model behind the hoods. So there is a reason for that, right? And since Claude is so great, and we have to incorporate Claude in our coding journey. And the only interface that we've got is Claude Code to use Claude natively into our system. But now that's changing. Now Claude Code or Claude is on web, something similar to Lovable and Bolt, where you have an interface and you can chat with it and do your coding with few prompts. How great it is, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Claude on web. You can use it in your phone too. Now you can code while you're traveling or when you're in a coffee shop, when you're having your coffee, you can just give some prompts and you can just fix your issues with this tool. So without wasting any further time, let's dive in and let's see how we can use this Claude on web. All right. So this is an official blog post of Anthropic where it says that Claude Code is available on the web, and you have pretty much few details about this. And to access Claude Code on web, all you have to do is go to this link, claude.ai code/code onboarding. And the first thing that you have to do is you have to connect your GitHub. So let me connect my GitHub. All right, so this is the Claude Code web interface. You can access with it through your phone since it is a web-based tool. So here we have the text box to give our prompt, and here we have an option to select our project. So I have a lot. So let me choose the project that I wanted to edit this. So only the public one would be available. So if you have something that's private, then you have to change it to public in order to use it as of now. So let me quickly change this one to public. All right. Now we have made this to public. So we have the repository right here available. Now we'll choose that. Before that, let me show you how this exactly looks. So yeah, this is the application that we have built using Lovable. So what it does is it actually converts multiple images into different formats. So you can choose images that you want like this, and you can convert this to any of the format that you want. So if you want to adjust the quality, you can do it that as well, and then click on convert. It is going to convert, and you can download it. You can rename, and if you upload multiple images, you can download this as zip. And then we have this dark and light mode, and all those things are available in this app. So first, let's try to change this logo and the name of this app to center. So we have to make this to center, and then we'll also try to add few pages like contact card and about us into it. So let's see how it is going to do it. So first, I just wanted to change. Okay, here is my prompt: change the position of logo and name to center. Okay, now let's. Okay, good. Okay, we have to install some app, so let's install that. Install and authorize Claude. All right, so I have installed that particular app into GitHub. Now it should work. All right, now let's click on send. All right, so it seems like Claude Web just successfully centered the logo. So let's see that. So let's go to my GitHub, and you can see this new branch where the name is sender logo name and some code. So let's see the commits sender logo. Okay, so this is the change that Claude did in order to make logo and the name to position in center. Okay, let's try to deploy this one and see if it's working now. All right, now we can see that it does just move to center right here. Cool. So that was so fast, and it just did, and it just pushed it to our GitHub account, and that's fast. So now let me, if you want, we can create pull request right here. So I'll just click on create PR, and we'll create a pull request. Okay, now we can merge this pull request. All right, let's try to add two pages. Okay, so add. All right, so here is my prompt. I wanted to add two pages, one for contact and one for about us, and I have added as much as details as that's possible for my contact page and for my about us page. Now let's see how it is going to create the contact and about us page for this particular app. All right, now we have contact us and about page created for us, it seems. So let's check. Okay, now, okay, we have the new branch. Now let's see the commits. All right, so we have two new pages with about, then contact, then we have audits header page. Cool. Now let's see if it is working. Let me go to. All right, so here is the new page. Let me go to that page. All right, now we have home, about, and contact, but at the same time, the centering has moved towards the left. But we have this contact us card right here, then about. So we have it right here. Cool, with these cards. That's great. Cool. All right. All right, but I just want this to be in center. So let's try to fix that as well. Now, all right. Now here is my prompt. So now the logo the and name has moved to left, right? So I just want it to be center, and I want other things like, where is it? All these home, about, and contact to my left. All right. So it seems that all the changes have been done. Again, let me go to my GitHub and see if the new branch is added. All right, so here we have the new branch 23 seconds ago. Yep. Now the logo and the name of the app is centered, and the pages are just moved to the left. That's great, but I haven't merged to the main the earlier changes. Now let me merge all the changes that we have. All right, now we have some conflict, right? Let's see if Cloud Code can fix this. So there are conflicts, can you fix them? Yes, it identified the issue. So there's a newer commit on the main about contact pages with navigation. Our branch conflicts with those changes. Let me merge main into our branch and resolve the conflict. All right, so let's see if it can handle this conflict situations. All right, so perfect. All conflicts have been resolved and changes are now pushed. Here is what I did: create separate header component, added. All right, now we don't have this merge conflict right now. Now we can just merge this pull request. So let me merge. All right, now it just fits the issue. We have home, about page, contact page, and the logo and the name of the app is centered. Cool. So Claude Code Web is really great. Now it can handle your conflict situations where Claude Code will take care of that, and it can really understand what you want, and it can just fix the conflicts. Now you can access the same in your mobile or in your phone as well. So which is also great. So whether you are in a bus or whether you are traveling, whether you are in a coffee shop, whether you are in a party, you can just make few tweaks into your app right away from there. So that's cool. So now we've tried centering the logo, adding two pages, and resolving a conflict. And all these three were great, and I'm really satisfied how this web version of the Cloud Code works. So, what do you think about Cloud Code Web? So, is it any good? So, let me know that in the comment section. Till then, this is Castro Joseph signing off. Bye.